Rumors are true. Names that are legendary. StockLegends.com.
Where the whispers are true, gains that are legendary. StockLegends.com with another explosive stock analysis. We're going to take a look at PVSP today for May 23rd, 2012. Before we do, congratulations to everyone that traded LUDG today. See the stock closed up 40% today and closed at the high of day on explosive volume, almost 100,000 shares traded. So congratulations to everyone that is currently sitting at a profit or at even if you ended up buying at the high of day. There's still a gap to be filled at the 40-cent area right here. We think that is a very short-term profit opportunity for our followers. Let's take a look at our website at StockLegends.com. You can basically see, if you go to the alert section, it'll soon say PVSP, and if you click on it, you'll be able to read our research report. We have a CEO interview coming out tonight. We've interviewed the CEO of the company, so be sure to listen to it. Get familiar with the CEO and his vision for the future of the company. Also, we have a research report and technical charts and analysis on that page. So also, if you text Legends to 411247, you can sign up for our text message alert system. And also, if you can join our newsletter, enter your name and email address, hit submit, and you'll get all of our email alerts on all of our hot stock plays. All right, let's go take a look at the technicals, what you've all been waiting for. We first actually alerted the stock back in December 12th. The stock's had a monstrous run since then, ran all the way up to 5.8 cents. You can see it broke its trend support line, so we ended up having a pullback on the stock. Now what's happened here is we've ended that negative selling pressure, and the stock's now moving sideways in a sideways consolidation pattern. Got resistance here just above 3 cents. You can see we've come in contact with this particular level a few times and failed to break it. Also, we have a lot of support here right around the 2 cent level. You can see we've kind of bounced above it a little bit, and also we've kind of breached below it a little bit, but we've closed above it all of these days, and so the support is still holding, although there's been some slight violations. We're not too concerned. The traders keep coming in and buying and pushing the prices up at this particular level. So as of now, the support's holding, and we have another opportunity to take another run at the resistance. Now, we've been in the sideways consolidation channel for quite a long period of time here. This began around early mid-March, so it's been a few months. I think it's about time the stock's ready to have another move. If we can get above this resistance around 3.2 cents, then we have an opportunity to come back to the high here at 5.8 cents. So from 0.25, that's over 100% gains. All we need is some patience and some active traders to take this up to the next level. We think it's also another great opportunity because we look at the RSI. It's given us numerous excellent entry points. Let's go back a little ways here where the RSI has touched around 35. This solid white line here is 30 on the RSI. It suggests oversold, and right around 35 on the RSI, just above it, you can see it's come down this area. Right here, the stock had hit 0005, an oversold point. From there, if you had taken an entry, you could have ran the stock all the way up to 0.058. That would have given you 1,000% gains. Again, we got another similar oversold signal down in here, and multiple opportunities to take profits here at 0.3, just around the 3 cent level, if you're able to take an entry here around 2 cents. So now again, we've got another oversold period. It's just lifting from the oversold section. Currently our size closed at 47. So from here, it looks like we're at another oversold position, one of only 3 that have occurred over the last 6 months. So certainly take advantage of that opportunity, because if we see another run here, there's some great gains that can be made in the near future. Currently looking at RSI, any spikes here around 80, 90 on the RSI are suggesting we've got overbought signals. So you can see where we've got big spikes here in the RSI. The stock generally has pullbacks in most of these circumstances, so that's a profit-taking opportunity. Currently, the support level appears to be holding. Any breach much farther below it, you may want to take an exit if we do move that way. We're confident we're going to see a move up, and we should break above that 3 cent level sooner or later, and we could get a really nice run up to the 5.8 cent area. From there, we have a lot of headroom to make some great gains. Accumulation's currently looking positive. You can see it's been moving up here for a long period of time, always a nice sign. And also the MACD, which has been giving us short-term entry and exit points. Our trend lines are telling us the direction of the trend. Currently it's pointing down, but we can see the histogram bars are moving up. The MACD lines are crossing back in. So this short-term pullback we've seen from the 3 cent area down to about 1.5 cents is reversing. So we should see some short-term positive momentum, at least from the MACD line hooking and crossing up. Thanks very much for watching. Be sure to stop by stocklegends.com and get familiar with all of the research we've put into PVSP, and happy trading.